Hello friends, welcome to my last and fifth video of this series of 5 by 5 video of getting A plus marks A plus grade in every subject. And today is my last video on this series of getting A plus grade in every subject. Today topic is psychology of anxiety. Why you get anxiety? Why you get depressed when you think about your test upcoming exam? Why you do this? In this video, I will tell you the proper guide of not getting depressed or getting anxiety from chest. Uh, do all I have to tell you in this video properly guide to get out of this and study properly, proper schedule, proper guide. This video I will tell you. This is the last video of this series. I hope you enjoy it. Let's jump into the video. I'll properly guide you in PPT using PPT. Let's jump into the video.
Okay, let's jump into the new video of this series of getting A plus marks in every single subject. This is my personal experience of getting A plus marks in every subject, every single subject. This is my personal experience and I'm sharing it with you guys. Some of my friends are also asking me to upload this quickly, like we want to learn it to the upcoming exam. And today's topic is how to remember every single things you learn. Like you study something, you want to remember it. This is the technique I'm using for getting A plus grade in one of the top high school where you have to study properly. I'm not studying too much, like you don't need to study like in a previous video I have also taught you guys that you don't need to study 24 or 7, like don't have to need to study too much. All you have to do is to all you have to do is to apply to yourself a proper technique, a proper way of studying. And this video I'm teaching you how to remember everything. A 20,000 year old tree to remember anything. This is the technique I'm going to study for you. Okay, the first technique what we will cover in this video, why we forget anything we study, the science behind memory failure in this video. Okay, the memory places and technique, an ancient method used by Greek and Roman authors. Writers, a real-world application, practical way to use memory place every day. Okay, the common mistake and fixes it. Avoid these pitfalls and to master a technique failures. Okay, let's jump into the first one. Why we forget? Why we forget anything? Like we studied something a few hours ago. If we forget it after some time, why we forget it? It's in such a less time. This is in this video I will just show in this topic in this section we will say why we forget something. Understand the science behind every memory. The science behind memory failure. Like why we forget this. What is the science behind it? Why we forget something? Like why we forget? This is the question. Why are not this question coming up to your mind? Okay, let's talk about it. Name face problem encoding failure. Okay, memory is the diary we all carry about with us. Memory is like a diary. If you write something, you will remember it. If you see something and didn't write it in memory, like you in your diary of memory, you will not remember it. The name, okay, let's some technique. We forget name with 5 seconds of hearing them because name are abrupt label with no inherent meaning. Why forget names? Like it doesn't have any meanings. Like if you meet someone and he told you his name or like her name, you forget it after some time because it has no meaning. Your name don't have proper meaning. Okay, our brain prioritizes visual and spatial data or abstract words. Short-term is long-term memory. Repetition alone fails because it does not create meaningful connection because between neurons, information is emotional or spiritual and ensures to transfer into the long-term storage. The third one is the encoding failure. We don't forget because we have bad memories. We forget because we never stored the information. This is what I'm trying to say, to tell, to want to say. Like we didn't write this information in our diaries. Like you saw something, you learned something, you studied something, you didn't remember. Why? Because you didn't store it properly. Our brains are weird to remember spiritual information, avoid imaginary, no abstract facts. These are some things. Okay, let's jump into the next section. The memory places technique. An ancient method used by Greek and Romans authors. Okay, let's jump into this. What is memory places? Place. The method of logic place in Latin, dating back to ancient Greece, 500 BC. The legend of Simulacor after a banquet hall collapse, Schemalo identified everybody by visualizing exactly where each guest had been seated. He discovered that special memory, extraordinary powerful, core principle, leverage spiritual memory, one of the brain's strongest capability by associating information with a specific location in familiar physical space, using cleric medical scholar and modern memory champion to deliver her long speech with notes. Okay, let's jump into the next section of this. Building your memory in 3 plus. Choose a familiar route. Pick a place you know intimately. Your home school, daily commute. The most familiar the space, the stronger your mental anchor. Okay, the second thing is signed word images. Transfer what you want to remember in bizarre, exaggerate images. The weird, the better ordinary image very quickly. Walk through your place. Take a mental walk through your place, visiting each location in the same ordinary every time. Consistency is the key. The route itself become your memory framework. Okay, example, to remember milk on your grocery list, don't picture carton. Instead, picture a cow suffering a wave of milk, like your neighbor has a cow and the cow is suffering a way of milk through your living room, spraying foam everywhere. This is unforgettable. This is one of the best thing. It is kind of funny, but it is best for you to learn it. Okay. The video is getting too much. Okay, I will jump into the last one. The common mistake. I'm quitting the third one, so you have to study it properly by on your own. I have already read it because the video is getting too much. Common mistake people made. Mistake using boring image fixed make them weird, emotional, and multi-sessional word always win or boring. Not practicing. Fix places fades without us. Review your route weekly to keep it sharp. Trying to memorize too much. Start small, like 5 item of grocery list, then build up gradually as your place grows. Confusing the name, like you have confused some names. Okay, let's end this video because it's getting too much. I don't have permission to make longer videos because people are complaining to not make too much long videos because it's exam time. We can't see it properly. Okay.